Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Kerma Dadish on behalf of Mr. De La Cruz. Is he on the Zoom?
I do not. Mr. De La Cruz, you have him?
I thought it was at 12:30.
You what?
I believe the Zoom link that I received said it was at 12:30.
It shouldn't have.
So I told him to
It's an
here at
AG
12:30.
case, but
So there's signed in, we have a couple of unnamed individuals.
He's not going to have
he's
signed
on the
in.
cheat sheet for 9 a.m.
Your Honor, can we go off the record and approach, please?
Well, I can't because I got her in Zoom.
Can we pass the matter, Your Honor?
Court does call the case People versus Devasere Hennings.
A.P. Richard McDuffie for the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Christina Castellano appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Henning. Mr. Henning, can you state your name for the record?
Bossier Henning.
Thank you. What are we doing?
This is a matter that we just adjourned for the co-defendant a little while ago out to the
I think it was June 12th.
Probable cause conference. We adjourned. June 12th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continued.
Thank you, Judge. And just for the record, my understanding is that there still is outstanding discovery, and that's the reason for the adjournment.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. We got another AG case, so let's hope we can do one of them. Court does call the case People versus Clyde Moore.
I'm sorry, Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. This is Public Defender Chanazi Carey on behalf of Mr. Clyde Moore. Mr. Moore, state your name for the record, please.
Clyde Moore Jr.
He's iPhone 1. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I believe that we have a resolution in this matter. The last time we were here, Mr. Moore, we had indicated to the court that Mr. Moore had a zero balance in regards to his arrearages, and the people had extended an offer for him to plead to a disorderly conduct. I don't know if the court is in receipt of the plea form, but we are prepared to interview today.
I don't have a plea form.
Your Honor, I asked the defense counsel this morning if you would need a plea, and I just found out about this morning. I actually was out of the office yesterday. I had jury duty, so I wouldn't have been able to do anything yesterday. But that is the agreement.
Pardon? What'd you say, Madam Attorney General? I'm sorry.
That is the agreement, that he pleads to a misdemeanor disorderly.
Disorderly? So
Yes.
Can't you guys do a plea form and get the AG's approval?
Absolutely, Judge.
Something on one of her cases?
Absolutely, Judge.
All right. Well, we'll get a plea form prepared so I can take the plea today. I'll just pass it and put it in the AG stack, I guess, at this point. Okay.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. Court calls the case People versus Demarius Tubbs.
A.P. Richard McDuffie for the people.
And good morning, Your Honor. Good morning to your fine staff. May it please this most honorable court. Edward Martell, P85051, on behalf of Demarius Tubbs, who stands to my right. Young man, please state your full name for the record. Demarius Tubbs.
All right, what are we doing?
Thank you, Judge, if I may. We were just recently retained on this matter. We do have paper discovery seeking outstanding video discovery. However, this morning I was notified that this case possibly may be going federal. So we're asking for a 2 to 3 week adjournment to sort this thing out, Judge.
Any objection from the people?
No objection.
Well, we don't have a 19. So I'll adjourn it to June 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's a Tuesday. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge. Always a pleasure. Have a great day.
Yes, sir. I'll call it. It's probably going to go in a stack. People, State of Michigan versus Daniel White. This is the last, I think. Huh?
She has an custody as well.
She has an in custody. Okay. Daniel White. Go ahead.
Michael Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender, on behalf of Mr. White, who's here via Zoom, Judge.
Good morning,
State
Your
your
Honor.
name, Mr. White.
Oh, sorry, go ahead.
Go ahead, Madam Attorney. No, it's in order to this. So you go ahead and state your appearance, Madam Attorney General, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
All right. Mr. Gaddy has stated his appearance. Mr. White, can you state your name, please?
Yes, Daniel White.
All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I've had a chance to discuss this matter with Mr. White. There is a discrepancy in terms of what we think is the outstanding balance, but I have explained to him he has an ultimate right to a preliminary examination. He wishes to waive that exam and proceed to circuit court in this matter and seek resolution there. I do have a waiver.
Mr. White, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
You understand that a preliminary examination is a proceeding where the people have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it?
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes, sir.
People also waive their right.
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on a single count. Mr. Gaddy.
We do waive reading of the complaint and stand mute, Judge. Acknowledge receipt.
Defendant acknowledging receipt, waiving formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
July 17th at 1:30. Judge.
July 17th, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Slay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bond continued. That's
What time was that? I'm sorry.
Pardon?
What time was that? I'm sorry. I missed the time.
1:30.
1:30. And will that
I'll give you
still
a
be
call after
available
court,
for
Mr.
Zoom?
Pardon?
I'll give you a call after court, Mr. White.
Oh, yes, sir. Thank you.
Court calls the case, People versus Antoine Amerson.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Emerson.
Your name, sir?
Antoine Emerson.
Thank you. What are we doing?
Today, we will be waiving the preliminary exam to pursue the offer made by the AG in circuit court. I just want to sign my signature, please.
Sir, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
Yes, sir.
You understand that that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them?
Yes, sir.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes, sir.
People also waive their right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on both counts.
Right up here.
Mr. Buckovich, as to the circuit court arraignment,
As to the circuit court arraignment, we will waive the formal reading of the complaint and will be standing mute.
defendant having waived formal reading, standing mute, court will enter a not guilty plea. Pretrial in this matter will be set for
June 10th at 1:30 PM with Judge Simpson.
June 10th, 2025, 1:30 before Judge Simpson. Bond will continue.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's 2 hours. All right. We'll get there. Court calls the case, People versus Alan Franklin.
And it's on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Good morning again, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court, David Burgess, on behalf of Alan Franklin.
Your name?
Alan Franklin, Jr.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I spoke with the prosecutor on this matter. We're just going to set this for exam. Discovery is complete.
People have their witnesses available to 10th.
We'll do our best, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination in this matter in person will be set June 10th, 2025, 9 a.m. That's before Judge Bravo. Bond will continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. So on the AG cases, I'm just waiting on Mr. Buckovich.
Reading Mr. Buckovich, Mr. Douche is compliant.
Will somebody let me know when you guys are ready on the AG cases, please? Court calls the case of People versus Antoine Brooks.
Joseph Fingall, the people, Your Honor.
And Assistant Public Defender Shanazi Carey, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Anton Brooks. Mr. Brooks, state your name.
Anton Brooks.
Judge, we'd be requesting an adjournment today. I know the people did submit a motion to us. Mr. Brooks has indicated that he'd like to retain private counsel.
Before the motion's addressed?
That is correct, Your Honor.
That just came in this morning. Okay. How long is it going to take him to get counsel? Okay, well, I don't know.
A month out,
I'm not going a month out.
whatever you can do. 2 weeks to do.
We have 2 weeks, Judge.
Set probable cause as well as the motion to compel DNA. I'll set that for June 12th, 2025. All that will be set at 3 p.m.
Okay. June 12th.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Court calls the case of the people versus Neil Kessler.
Morning, Judge Lawrence H. Margolis with and on behalf of Mr. Kennedy or Mr. Kessler, who is approaching. Please state your name, sir.
Neil Kessler.
Judge, today is the first PCC. I believe there is more discovery that is outstanding or may be outstanding. So we'd ask for a short adjournment. And after speaking with Mr. Kennedy, if possible, we'd like to approach briefly on a small bond matter.
June 12th, 2025, 9 a.m. Approach. This time bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Court calls case people versus John Fulton.
Andrew Childers, keep your arm.
Senator Lauren Brown, Deputy Chief Public Defender, appearing with and on behalf of Mr. John Fulton. Mr. Fulton, please state your name for the record.
John Fulton.
Thank you. Your Honor, today is the date and time set for the probable cause conference. We'll be waiving the preliminary examination and going to be go over to circuit court where we believe this matter can be resolved.
Is that correct, Mr. Fulton, that you're waiving your right to a preliminary exam?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'll let you finish signing there, but there. You understand that where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offenses alleged were committed and that you committed them?
Yes.
You understand you will not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes.
People also waive their right.
Yes, sir.
Preliminary examination having been waived, been found over to circuit court on all three.
Thank you, Your Honor. We acknowledge receipt of the information and we waive its reading on the record. My client was.
Bye, Constantino. Never mind.
It's great to see you.
Yeah. Always a pleasure. Go ahead. I'm sorry, Mr. Brown.
My client will stand mute.
Defendant every way formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter a not guilty plea as to all three counts. Pre-trial in this matter will be set for
June 10th at 1:30 p.m. with Judge
I'm sorry, Judge.
Write that down. Yes, sure.
June 10th, 2025, 1:30, Judge Cumpy.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we address the issue of Your Honor, I had a chance to submit a mitigation report to the prosecution. I've read it. At this time, we are asking that my client's bond be modified so that he can stay at the 2735 South Wagner Road address, Ann Arbor, Michigan. If the court feels that a tether would be appropriate, my client will be happy to do so. We feel that the circumstances of this case warrant lease to that address. He is not a danger to the community at large. He will return to all future court dates.
Your Honor, Mr. Brown did provide me with a mitigation report with respect to his client. In reading that report, with some information provided, I would not have an objection provided the defendant is on a tether, that he be released while this is
Home confinement.
that would be my preference. I don't believe that he has a reason that would conflict with his life.
It's okay.
It's a defendant's bond at $30,000. Personal recognizance. Defendant may be released on a home confinement tether. That tether has to be in place prior to his release.
Which judge is this going in front of?
Good Kunky.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so that one might hit. That's fine. Okay. So, are they ready on the other? Court calls case first, Scott Ammerman.
Thank you, Richard, that's for the people.
Morning, Your Honor. Alex Warren, Green on behalf of Mr. Hammerman. Your Honor, I reached out to Mr. Hammerman. We did not receive any correspondence in return. For the record, I'd ask for an adjournment.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond will be set at 10,000 cash surety.
Thank you, Your
That
Honor.
warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case People versus Douglas Hill.
Thank you, Richard, that's for the people.
Stephanie Cannon, on behalf of Mr.
On behalf of Mr. Hill.
Your name, sir?
Douglas Hill.
Thank you.
Your Honor, we are going to be asking for a brief adjournment on this matter. But with the adjournment, we'd also like to address bond.
Without objection, probable cause conference June 12, 2025, 9 a.m.
Your Honor, as to bond,
Do I have a green sheet?
I'm working on, Your Honor. I have a few of them in my hand. I'm so sorry. As to the bond, Your
I
Honor,
was going to be adjourned, I see. No need to comment. Go ahead.
thank you, Your Honor. And my pen,
Oh, Cannon, really? Is this one of those days?
it
Thank
went
you.
under the lectern, Your Honor. My pen went under the lectern. I'm so sorry. Here we go. As to Mr. Hill, there's the green sheet. Thank you. I'll get it eventually. As to bond, Your Honor, my client has a appointment on June 2nd with the IRS regarding a very serious matter. He is requesting a furlough for that day, just so he can meet with the IRS. He'll come directly back.
Taxes?
So this meeting was set.
What it was about? And
Well,
he said taxes.
he said taxes.
No, don't worry about it. I don't even know why she asked that
Well,
question.
yes, Your Honor. So it is a tax matter. I didn't want to go too far into.
No, I don't.
Okay.
If he's got the appointment, I just need proof of the appointment. Maybe I'll consider it.
And we can do it in writing.
Yeah, you'd have to do something in writing regarding that.
Perfect. Your Honor, in addition to that, as you know, my client was, the last time he was up, the court did remand him because he was testing positive for substances that he should not be testing positive for. My client at that time was trying to get into a treatment program. Matter of fact, he came from, he was after court, he was supposed to go be scheduled to be screened. My client is asking if he can be released to inpatient treatment if the court would allow that.
For inpatient treatment, if you send me an order that's stipulated to, certainly I will sign it.
Perfect, Your Honor. Then I'll make it
I'm not going to object to release the income.
perfect. Then, Your Honor, with that, I believe we are all set.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I'm gonna,
Thank you. At this point, his bond will continue. And I'm not saying, so that we're clear, I'm not saying I grant the furlough, but I need to see information. Thank you. Really, Cannon. Did you get your pen?
thank you, Your Honor. Yes.
Court calls the case People versus Roderick Bates. So, the dish is ready. Who's the other one? Bukovich and Shitnauser? Okay. Your name, sir?
Roger Bates.
I'm sorry, Mike Gaddy, Assistant Public Defender for Mr. Bates.
What are we doing?
Your Honor, I'm asking the court for a brief adjournment to go over this matter some more with Mr. Bates and to go over more discovery. I will submit a green sheet immediately.
June 12, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you.
One second. So you think they're ready on this? Let's see if we can get got other stuff to do today, I'm sure.
I believe the only one that's ready is here.
Yeah. What?
I've been able to use this before.
Which one are you on?
Clyde Moore Jr.
Taylor Cruz, what about Mr. Buckovich? You ready on yours?
I don't think you have an AG.
Yeah, I can be ready.
You can be ready?
Yes.
Well, didn't sound real confident, so I'll let you wait. Court calls the case, People versus Clyde Moore Jr.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Chinazi Carey, I can rule your honor on behalf of Mr. Clyde Moore Jr. Mr. Moore, if you're still there, could you please state your name for the record? Turn your camera on too.
I have him. He's not there. No, what are you calling him?
Just wanted to shoot a text, Judge.
I sat there and asked, were we ready on the Attorney General cases? Because this is now, she had 5. This is now the 8th case I've called, some of them duplicates. So are you expecting, Ms. Eckenrudely, that I'm going to wait for him to respond to your text?
Absolutely not, Your Honor.
Thank you.
That's not my expectation at all.
He's not here. Clyde Moore, no response. Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. How much is owing in child support?
No, Mr. Moore is the one who has paid in full, Judge. And
He's paid in full, but where is he?
He was on Zoom. I think he might have misunderstood us passing the matter and may have logged off.
This is the plea.
This is the plea. That is correct, Judge. I have the paperwork
You
here.
have the form,
I do.
but you don't have a client.
Yeah.
He needs to show up before I finish with the Attorney General cases, or I'm issuing the bench warrant, plea or no. Then we'll have a captive audience. Court calls the case, People versus Rafael de la Cruz.
Good morning, Your Honor. Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
On behalf of Ms. De La Cruz, Your Honor, can we please approach?
No, you don't need to approach. You're looking for an adjournment because the wrong time may have been sent to you. My staff has informed me they can't verify it certainly, but they think that the wrong time may have been sent to the defendant. So in that instance, I will adjourn it.
Thank you, Your Honor.
See, unlike some people in your office, I take responsibility for what we may do.
Every time I
June
take
12, 2025, 9 a.m.
What's the date, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
June 12th.
June 12th. Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Court calls case, recalls case, People versus Foul Ali.
This is the public defender on behalf of Mr. Ali.
Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
Mr. Ali, can you state your name, please?
Ali.
Thank you.
After speaking to my client, he will be waiving his preliminary exam. I have a signed preliminary examination form that I signed with his permission to pursue the AG's offer in circuit court.
Mr. Ali, you're waiving your right to a preliminary examination?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that's a proceeding where the people would have to show by probable cause that the offense alleged was committed and that you committed it?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand you'll not have that hearing and that you'll proceed to circuit court for further resolution?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. People also waive their right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Preliminary examination having been waived, defendant is bound over to circuit court on a single count. Mr. Beckett.
Yes, as to the arraignment, we will waive the formal reading of the complaint and my client will be standing mute as to the charge.
Defendant will waive formal reading, standing mute. Court will enter not guilty plea. Pretrial will be set for
July 17th at 1:30 p.m. with Judge Slay.
July 17, 2025, 1:30, Judge Slay.
And just to put on the record, my client just wanted to let the court know that he does currently reside in Colorado for his court date. I believe July 17th should be enough time, but he also is the sole caretaker of his 13-year-old child. So I believe July 17th should be enough time for him to figure out his court date.
All right. Bond will continue. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your client's not here yet?
He did answer. He said he was logging in.
An iPhone that logged in is, there he is. Court recalls the case People versus Clyde Moore Jr.
Assistant Attorney General Clarissa Williams on behalf of the people.
And this is the public definition of the no, Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Clyde Moore Jr. Mr. Clyde, say your name for the record, please.
Clyde Moore Jr.
All right, I have before me a plea form that indicates that the defendant will be pleading guilty to the charge of disorderly conduct, 90-day misdemeanor. Upon the successful plea to that charge, count 1 would be dismissed. That's the court's full understanding of the.
That is our understanding as well, Judge.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Moore, can you raise your right hand, please? You solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
State your name for the record.
Clyde Moore Jr.
All right. You can put your hand down. Sir, it is this court's understanding that you are going to be pleading guilty to the charge of disorderly conduct. That is a misdemeanor punishable by up to 90 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You also understand, sir, that while I'm taking your plea, I would not be your sentencing judge, and you would be sentenced before Judge Valvo in the 15th District Court.
Yes, sir.
All right. Understanding all of that, you still wish to plead guilty?
Yes, sir.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes, sir.
You gave your attorney permission to sign your advice of rights form. Did they go through it with you? Do you have any questions regarding any of those rights?
No, sir.
Paragraph 5 indicates your trial rights. You understand that you're giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal upright.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
No, sir.
Has anybody promised you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record to get you to plead?
No, sir.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
You're doing this voluntarily?
Yes.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
And because you believe that you're indeed guilty of this offense?
Yes.
Between the dates of August 1st, 2022 and March 31st, 2023 at a location, I guess, in Washtenaw County, you admit to the fact that by failing to pay your child support, you were committing disorderly conduct by failing to follow that order?
Yes, sir.
All right. Counsel, has the court complied with the court ruling, would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor, on behalf of the people, yes.
Defense is satisfied as well.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Pre-sentence investigation and report is ordered at 15th District Court probation. Sentencing will be
June 17th, 9 a.m. with Judge Valvo.
June 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Valvo. Bond in this matter will continue. Thank you.
Give you a
Thank
call
you,
in a
Your
minute, Mr. Moore. Thank
All
you,
right.
Judge.
I think, Madam Attorney, that's it for you, right?
It is.
Okay,
Thank
we
you.
got to it. You'll get to lunch. All right.
Thank you.
Thank you. You have a
Bye.
good day.
You too.
Court calls the case People versus Keith Jimenez.
Ellie Zinn on behalf of the people, Your Honor. Stephanie Tan on behalf of Mr. Jimenez. Mr. Jimenez, when you do get to the lectern, state your name for the court.